To me, Veeamazing is the ability to come to Veeam and make a difference and make a change. If there's something I see that I want to improve, if there's something I see that I want to maybe change, everybody at Veeam is really receptive and willing to work hard to make a difference.
Veeamazing is waking up every day and wanting to come to work. And I think the reason for that, at least for me, is because of the team. There's a saying, Simon Sinek has said it, team is not a group of people that work together, it's a group of people that trust each other. And so one of our core values being conversations from the heart, being Veeam team, those are the things that make the work, the waking up in the morning, that's what makes it Veeamazing, because I want to work with these people. I want to spend time building great things and changing the world. That's Veeamazing.